Today's our topic is wave. First of all, we will try to know what is wave. Wave is produced when any disturbance is produced in the medium. That is, suppose in the pond, if water is calm and a stone is thrown into the pond, then disturbance is produced in the water and ripples produced which goes all around the water. This is the called wave. In the wave, medium particles move back and forward and also transfer its energy to the neighboring molecules or particles. There are two types of waves, longitudinal waves and transverse waves. In the longitudinal waves, the particles moves along the direction of the motion of the propagation of sound. Suppose v is the velocity of the propagation of the sound, that means sound propagate in this direction, and the medium particles will also propagate in the same direction. Along the same direction, in the same direction, medium particles also moves, then it is called longitudinal waves. Once again, when the medium particles move in the direction of the propagation of the waves or sound, then it is called longitudinal waves. Example, the speed of sound in the air is called longitudinal waves. In the longitudinal waves, we see that these are the particles of the air, where molecules or particles are denser and some places are rarefaction. That is, the density of the molecules are rarer, and here is also molecules of the particles are denser. So the place or the region or the area where molecules are closer or denser is called compressions, and the region or area in the medium or air where the molecules are rarer are called rarefaction. Similarly, in the medium, these produces similarly in the alternative manner, compressions and rarefaction is produced in the medium. Now, what is the wavelength? The distance between two successive or consecutive compressions, that is, this is called wavelength. The distance between two successive compressions or two successive rarefaction is called wavelength, and it is denoted by lambda. Wavelength is the scalar quantity and its unit is meter.